This video will address the replacement of the packing on a Kennedy OS&Y gate valve. These repair procedures will work on 2.5 through 12-inch Kennedy OS&Y gate valves. Although these repair procedures are for Kennedy gate valves, the repair steps may be similar on other manufacturers' gate valves. The tools needed for this repair are a 10-inch crescent wrench and a flexible packing extractor. To begin the repair, you must first backseat the gate valve by opening it completely. Backseating the gate valve will temporarily seal any leaks around the stem. This will allow you to change out the packing without shutting down the water system. Once the leaking is stopped, you can now remove the packing bolts and nuts. There are 2 packing bolts and nuts per gate valve. To remove the packing bolts, you must first remove the packing nut. If the nut is rusted, you may need to use a spray lubricant to loosen the nut, but be sure to use a food-grade lubricant. If the packing nuts cannot be removed, you may have to cut the bolts in order to remove them. Once the packing bolts have been removed, slide the packing gland up the stem for access to the packing. To remove the packing, corkscrew your packing extractor into the old packing in order to hook and remove it from the body. The packing could either be one solid length or a few different pieces. It is important to remove all of the old packing in order to have a clean area to install the new packing. To install the new packing, remove your packing from the shipping tube. Packing comes in different diameters and lengths depending on the size of gate valve you are repairing. Once you have removed the packing from the shipping tube, be sure to open each piece of packing. Insert the first piece of packing into the valve body by wrapping it around the stem and pushing it down into the valve body. Once the first piece of packing is in, repeat with the remaining pieces of packing. Be sure to stagger the opening of each packing on top of each other. Do not worry about compacting the packing, as this will be done with the packing gland later. Once all the packing pieces are inserted into the valve body, replace the packing bolts and partially tighten them. Turn the hand wheel so that the gate valve is about halfway open. Now tighten the nuts evenly until any leaks around the stem stop. Be careful to not over-tighten the packing nuts, as this may cause the packing gland to crack. Exercise the gate valve a few times to make sure there are no leaks around the stem. This video was brought to you by American Backflow Products Company, your complete source for backflow repair parts, devices, accessories, and test kit calibrations.